you're welcome in here, I want to show you different type of last opening. Here is three different type of last, and I will be showing you how to get all this open right now. Coming up in here, there are different type of last opening. The most common one of it is R-base, which has the last angling, so it can easily be opened this way. Push it down and the shoe is out of it. And there is another one that comes in like this, is mostly used in the Indians. Comes in, this is going to be pushed back and this can then be pulled up. This is another opening of a last, and that is two of it. And there is another one that has to swipe up this way. So this is another opening, comes up in here, and the shoe being molded is then comes from in here and zap out. Yes, these are three different kind of opening, and this is another one which is very, very comfortable. Crafter at now try like using this a lot because it is very, very easy and convenient in removing. This is probably made at the Asian part of the Asians and China, to be precise. In here it comes in separate, so I have a shocker in here instead of having an angling point in there. It doesn't have it there, and it's what just has is this coming up, a connecting rod coming up, and then removing that. Once this is removed, the whole project itself is going to be separate. So it comes in like this. This is the only holder in it. So once this is holding it like this, once you're done molding whatever you want to mold and it's time to open it, just come in here, zap it out, and it's open. This tends to be very, very easy in opening to be compared to the this, and this. But anyone you find out in the two, there is none that is not good. And then this, the opening of the last does not determine if the shape is wonderful or not. No, the opening of the last does not really determine that. The shape of the last remain. The opening is just the method at which you can get your project out of this. And at the time that you have it open, snapping it back is just you coming in here and just do this way, and you come in, you make it back, iron to do that, so you have it snap back like that. And if you are applying this back, this is what you just come in here to do. Just clip it down, have it then clip down, and then this turn on it, and it is back to normal. So this is how you can get your mold open. Opening your mold is very, very easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't just subscribe, hit the notification bell for you to notify when I have another videos like this on my platform. Look forward to have you in my subsequent uploads.